Look at this, nieces and nephews. Oh, yeah. That was hot, wasn't it, Mike?
Yes.
These came out really good. Okay, it is several hours later. And you see how tender the greens are? Somebody's phone is going on as soon as I record. That is funny. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, Smoke, look out. You're making my video act funny. When your greens are tender like this, they are ready to go, okay? That's some potatoes I whipped up over there. Now remember, this is how you do it stovetop. I showed you what to put in. I showed you how to heat it, and I showed you how long to cook it. Okay. Now, your Uncle Chris is back. I am not a quitter. I'm a fighter, and I'm gonna show you if you have the same thing I do, any heart trouble or anything messing with your weight. I'm gonna show you how to combat it and turn things around, because I'm gonna turn things around for me. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. Lynn, thank you so much for your well wishes. Salty Assassins, Victoria, I think it's Gay Dungeon. Am I saying that right? Thank all of you for your kind wishes, your prayers, just everything that it means so much to me. All right. Now, these greens are going to be for Christmas because guess what? I'm going to cook them and freeze them. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. And look forward to my Christmas Lights edition. It is going to be so special. It's 2 parts. The lights in Chicago downtown, of course, the tree and all that. And what they do in the neighborhood. It's really special. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.